What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thanks for joining us. My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music to Makeup. So today's video, I am going to be unboxing this BoxyCharm Premium box that I have right here, which feels really light. So I don't know. I wasn't impressed with my boxes last month, so I'm kind of skeptical about things right now. So this is for October, right? Yeah. All right, so if you're interested in seeing what I got in my BoxyCharm Premium, then keep on watching. All right, let's just get right into it. So this month's theme is Spellbound, which I love. And okay, let's get into it. Okay. Well, I'm pleased with the first item. It is the Benefit Georgia Golden Peach Blush. A peachy dream come true. Benefit's cult favorite Georgia Golden Peach Blush is back and sweeter than ever. Okay, let's see. It comes with a little brush that I'll never use. And here is what it looks like. It even says Georgia on it. How cute. I love Benefit products. I've been so obsessed with the Hoola Glow. Oh, that's actually really gorgeous. It's like a shimmery peach. It's going to be hard to see on my pale ass skin, but I kind of want to put some on. Should I put some on? Yeah, let's do it. Ooh, that's really pretty. I love me a good shimmer blush too. Oh, yes. Alright, so this retails for $30. Super happy about that. Alright, next is we have this Lily Lashes Level Up Lash Enhancing Serum. Now, I'm trying to remember. I'm pretty sure that I chose products, and I want to say this might have been one of them, because I vaguely remember that whatever I wanted was sold out, or it had already been chosen by people and wasn't an option to choose anymore. And I think I remember going with this one. But okay. So this is a powerful, results-driven lash serum promoting ultimate lengthening, strengthening, and conditioning benefits while enhancing the overall appearance of your natural lashes in as little as 4 weeks. I legit have the smallest lashes in the world. Part of it is because of my hypothyroidism, but yeah, I do. This retails for $65. Damn. I love the lashes themselves. Oh, I really like the packaging though. I love the packaging actually. It's like a gradient from white to gold. That's awesome. Wow. I mean, it better work for $65. I'm definitely excited to try this. Alright, moving on. Okay, we have this Perricone MD Vitamin C Citrus Brightening Cleanser. Okay, it's a non-drying formula that cleanses without stripping the skin of natural oils. This fresh cleanser is formulated with proprietary vitamin C, a more potent and less irritating form of vitamin C, to visibly smooth and brighten. Okay, so this is 6 fluid ounces. This is a really big bottle, and it retails for $35. I mean, I love anything that says brightening, so yeah, I'm definitely excited to try that. Oh no, I think this was one of my choices as well. This is the Rowan Beauty Vow Brow Pencil. So, do I get a color? That's in medium. So, it's the perfect brow pencil to easily define, fill, and shape any brow. Vow Brow's fine 1.7 millimeter tip and firm formula is ideal for both precise and natural looking brows. I do like a firm brow pencil as opposed to a really creamy one because you're able to be more precise. Oh, that looks pretty dark for medium. It almost looks black. Let me see here. Oh no, I guess that works. Oh, it is a very nice formula. And then we have a traditional spoolie on the other side. So this retails for $26. Alright, next is this Tarte Maneater Plumping Gloss. Okay, this nourishing formula smooths the lips and wraps them in lasting hydration, color, and shine, while the Volume Plump Complex works to visibly plump the lips with just one swipe. So this is in the color Buff. Ooh. Oh, I love the packaging, number one. Number two, I really like this color. We gotta see what this looks like on. I don't think I've ever tried a Tarte gloss before. Oh, that's gorgeous. And it's very creamy, not sticky. I do feel a little bit of tingling, but it's not painful or overwhelming. Ooh, so this retails for $19. I'm really happy about this. Alright, and the last product is, okay, this Dew of the Gods Fila Collagen Under Eye Pads. Okay, why inject when you can object to dull, tired under eyes with the powerful bounce of hydrogel, collagen, vitamin C, and witch hazel to plump, lift, and revitalize your look. It's like an iced coffee for the soul. 30 minutes of bliss. Okay, so let's see. So you get 10 sets. Oh, that lip gloss is starting to burn a little bit. So leave on for 20-30 minutes. Okay. Yeah. I do have some Wander Beauty under eye pads, so I might keep this for a giveaway, but they do retail for $20. So, alright, I shouldn't have let the light box fool me because this was an awesome box. Let me calculate the total retail value. Okay, the total retail value is $195. I think I'm most excited for this blush, but I'm super excited about everything. Maybe not so much the iPads, but everything else, yes. This is starting to sting a little bit more, but nothing I can't handle. And yeah, I'm really excited to try this lash serum, and yeah, I am really happy with this box. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!